Right, so today I've got this iPhone SE in here. Totally dead, doesn't charge or anything. Tried a new charge port, didn't make any difference. Batteries read 0. If we pump it up to it's working again, as soon as you plug it in, it stops working again. If you plug power into it, it pulls about 6 amps or something ridiculous. So, and then it's getting warm around this sort of area. So I'm going to pull the board out, see what we can see. There'll be short somewhere, guaranteed. Right, so I've just got the board plugged into the power supply, and it's taking like 1.4 amps at 1.4 volts, which is pretty. And then if we look on here, something's lit up like a Christmas tree. I don't know what that is at the top as well. There's something else there, but yeah. So that is a shorted cap at the top of the board. So that thing at the bottom of the board is the active diode, I think. It's basically that, where is it? That diode pack thing, whatever it is. Yeah, the shorted cap is one of these at the top. So according to thermals, it is that one there. Right, cap removed. And it works. Or hopefully it does anyway. Just waiting for it to boot. Boom, we're on. There we go. This thing might not be the cheapest in the world, but it definitely has made me plenty of money fixing things that no other camera would be able to see. Get yourself one, look, for a bargain price of 874 quid. But yeah, say it does the job. The thing is about the cheapo ones is there's no focus or anything on them, and they're really bad resolution. Yeah, that thing, it can literally see down to tiny little specks of heat that you'd never see with another camera, so it's definitely worth the money. So yeah, there we go. Job done.